How many handheld console? They were everywhere. Various brand, different console. Valve, Logitech, Razer, and above all, Ayaneo. But it would like to make all kind of them. And just the latter is ready to launch this new model. This is the Pocket Air and is the new and also the first Android gaming handheld console by Ayaneo, and this is the Ayaneo Air. Both have the same identical design, literally. The shape, the asymmetrical Xbox layout, everything is the same. Even it seems to have the same dimension, height, width, thickness. Although it is an Android console, they may not have them on top as an air vent, as well as on back with a square area with dot pattern. Not with lacks of colorways and a special edition like this cool retro edition. Effectively, this is the only finish shown, with a white body including start, select, home, Ayaneo buttons, moreover light brown accent in the all stick, and lastly red tail such as the D-pad, the action button with white ABX epsilon letter, triggers and a red band that links the two extremities. On back, finally a nice red band with a white contrasting Pocket Air and a retro edition words. Regarding the I/O, on top we got the power on off and volume control buttons, whereas on bottom there are two speakers, between these one micro SD card reader, one 3.5mm audio jacks and an USB Type-C port. But what are the specs? Well, currently there are no specs. The only thing that know is that the model will feature a 5.5 inches OLED display. The rest can only be hypothesized. It should have a not high performance CPU, therefore a low wattage with a long life battery to play hours. What can we do with it? Ayaneo has told that the Pocket Air is tugged for a complete retro gaming experience, but analyzing it we can understand as the console can do much more than that. In fact, the concept choose is the same used by our brand competitor like as Logitech with G Cloud and Razer with its Edge handle. The name Pocket Air refers to something about the cloud or streaming, and just being an Android-based handheld console allows to use cloud gaming apps like as Xbox Cloud or Nvidia GeForce Now and play at our favorite games without having powerful hardware. Currently, it's not clear if the Pocket Air will support these streaming services, but it's very probable that this will happen. Lastly, as the specifications, unfortunately, also the price has not been announced. However, knowing that it will compete mainly against a handled by Logitech the G Cloud, it could be placed very well on same price band, so $350. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. As always, let me know what do you think in the comments below. Tune on, share it with all your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Huge thanks for watching. See you again next time.